Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll explore the top 8 Hulu ad blockers that help you enjoy your favorite shows and movies without interruptions. Hulu ads can be annoying, especially during binge-watching sessions, but there are solutions available to block or skip them. Let's dive into the best tools and methods for ad-free Hulu streaming. 1. AdGuard for Windows/Mac. AdGuard is a powerful ad blocker that works on both Windows and Mac devices. It blocks not only ads in browsers but also ads in apps, including Hulu. AdGuard's filtering system ensures an ad-free viewing experience. Pros: blocks ads in apps, including Hulu. Easy-to-use interface. Customizable filters. Cons: requires a paid subscription for full features. 2. AdBlock Plus, Chrome, Firefox, Safari. AdBlock Plus is one of the most popular and widely used ad blockers. It can effectively block ads on Hulu when used with a browser. Although Hulu's app isn't supported directly, the browser version of Hulu can enjoy ad-free streaming with AdBlock Plus. Pros: free and open source. Works well with Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. Cons: may not work with Hulu apps on mobile or smart TVs. 3. uBlock Origin, Chrome, Firefox, Safari. uBlock Origin is a highly effective ad blocker for all major browsers. It uses advanced filtering and custom settings to block ads on Hulu and other streaming platforms. It's one of the most efficient and lightweight ad blocking tools. Pros: open source and completely free. Minimal impact on system performance. Customizable settings for advanced users. Cons: requires some technical knowledge for optimal setup. 4. Popper Blocker, Chrome. Popper Blocker is an extension designed specifically to block pop-ups and ads in streaming platforms like Hulu. It can remove pre-roll and mid-roll ads, providing a smoother experience. Pros: specifically built for blocking pop-ups and in-video ads. Lightweight and easy to use. Cons: limited to Chrome users. 5. NordVPN with CyberSEC, Windows/Mac. NordVPN is known for privacy, but it also offers a feature called CyberSEC, which blocks ads while streaming. By using NordVPN, you can bypass ads on Hulu, along with improving your overall online security and privacy. Pros: ads are blocked while keeping your data secure. Multi-platform support, Windows, Mac, iOS, Android. Cons: requires a paid subscription to NordVPN. 6. AdLock, Windows/Mac. AdLock is a comprehensive ad blocker that works across browsers and apps. It blocks annoying video ads on streaming platforms like Hulu, YouTube, and others. AdLock works on both Windows and Mac systems. Pros: blocks both browser and app ads. Simple interface and installation. Cons: paid service with a free trial. 7. Blockada, Android. Blockada is a free ad blocker for Android devices that can block ads in Hulu's mobile app. It's particularly useful for blocking in-app ads while streaming content on your phone or tablet. Pros: free and open source. Blocks ads across apps on Android devices. Cons: only available for Android users. 8. YouTube Vanced, Android. Though it's primarily known for blocking YouTube ads, YouTube Vanced can also block Hulu ads on Android devices by redirecting traffic through modified DNS servers. It's a unique solution for mobile users. Pros: blocks ads for Hulu and YouTube. Free and easy to use. Cons: not officially supported by Hulu, so might not work with all versions. Conclusion: these Hulu ad blockers are great tools to help you enjoy an uninterrupted streaming experience, whether you're watching on your computer or mobile device. Remember, some of these tools require a paid subscription or a VPN, so choose the one that works best for your needs. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on improving your streaming experience. Thanks for watching.